Hello everyone, welcome to the Linux into YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Python dictionaries. Dictionaries allow us to store key value pairs and it makes easy to retrieve, add, remove or modify values using a key. Dictionary is very similar to what we call associative array or hash in other languages. So without any further ado, open any Python editor to understand that how we can create and use dictionaries in Python. The idle editor for Python is opened here. Let's create a simple dictionary and I will name it as data. Dictionaries are created using the pair of curly braces, so place the curly braces here. Inside these curly braces we have to specify two things, a key and a value, because it is a key value pair. The key should be immutable and unique, so let's write 1 here. 1 is the key and now put the colon. This dictionary is going to be about the programming languages, so I'm going to write here C++. So it has become a key value pair now. 1 is the key and the value is C++. Now put comma here, and that is how we separate different key value pairs or the items inside the dictionary. And write 2 here, and inside the 2 I have to store Java. And similarly the third key is going to be about Python. And the fourth key is PHP. So this is how you create the dictionaries in Python. So let's print this dictionary and see what happens. And data. It has printed the whole dictionary and we have 4 key value pairs inside the dictionary. What in the case when we try to fetch or access a particular value? So you can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside the square brackets. So write the name of the dictionary here, that is data, put the square brackets. So if I want to access the name of first programming language, so I will write 1 here and hit enter, and it has printed C++, because 1 is the key for the C++ value. And similarly if I want to fetch the value of Python, so I can do it, write data here and the key for Python is 3, so hit enter. So it has printed Python here. If we have student information like student name, email, roll number or address, so we can store this information into the dictionary and we can retrieve the information by using the keys. Let's create a student dictionary here, and the student name, email, roll number and address will be the keys here. I'm gonna write here name and the value for name is Mark. Now write here email and value for the email is mark@example.com, and for the roll number write here roll number and the value for the roll number is 12. I am not putting the single quotes outside this 1 2 because that is an integer. And similarly for the address, and the value for the address is New York. If we want to extract the name of this student, so write name here, and yes, it has printed the name, that is Mark. And if we want to extract the roll number, so write here roll number, and it has printed 12 here, that is the roll number value. Can we add a new key value pair inside this student dictionary? And yes, we can. And how we can do it, let's see. If I want to add the age key value pair, so write age here and write the value for the age, that is 20 for example. And now let's print this dictionary. And we can see that the age key value pair is added successfully. And if I want to modify the value of the email, so how I can do that? Write the name of the dictionary here and inside these square brackets write email. And now write here the updated value, and I'm going to update it to the mark@gmail.com. And we can see here that the value is updated successfully. And similarly we can delete the key value pairs from the dictionaries, and we can do that by using the del function. So write here the name of the dictionary and inside the square brackets write the name of the key that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete the age, so write age here and press enter. So let's print it. and you can see that the age key value pair is deleted. If you want to know about the length of the dictionary, that how many key value pairs are inside the dictionary, so for this purpose we have the length function, and right here the name of the dictionary, and it has printed 4, and it has printed 4 because we have 4 key value pairs inside this dictionary. We have many other methods for the dictionary, so let's explore the get method. And the get method basically returns the value for any key. So for this purpose, write the name of the dictionary here, write get, and inside of this get we have to write the key. And if I want to extract the name, then I will write name here, and it has printed mark. Let's try to extract the value of age. Student.get age. If the key does not exist, then it returns the none by default. Inside a dictionary we can have a list or another dictionary. So let's see an example of this. Let me create a new dictionary for the courses here. Inside this dictionary we will have the name of the student as key, and the value for this key will be the name of the subject. So let's say there is a student Mark who is having the data structure course, and there is another student whose name is John, and he is having 2 courses. So let me create a list for it, and the one course is object oriented programming, and the second course is introduction to computers, and the third student is Taylor who is having 2 courses in 2 different departments. Let me create a dictionary for it. Let's say he is having one course in electrical engineering department, and that is the electric circuit analysis course, and he is having another course in the computer sciences department, and that is the object oriented programming course. If we want to know that what courses Mark is having, so write the name of the dictionary here, and inside these square brackets write down Mark, and we have data structure course here for the Mark. And if we want to extract the courses of the John, so we can do this, like write John here, and it has printed the list of the courses that John is currently having. And similarly for the Taylor, and write Taylor here, it has printed the dictionary here. So what if I want to know that which course Taylor is having in the CS department? So how I can extract this information? That is very simple. So we can do it in this way. Write Taylor, and now write here CS, and yes, he is having the object oriented course in the CS. So when we are using the nested dictionary, so you have to write the second dictionary here. That's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more useful videos. Thank you.